Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about how you can solve if your mic is not working. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's move toward the video. In this video, I will explain if your mic is not working or the mic is showing any problem, how you can solve it. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about the mic problem in your device Redmi Note 11s. Let's watch the video.